right, guys, and yes, today it's been a surprising morning. Like you saw, it just got unloaded and the kids kind of have an idea already what it is, and it's here. Check it out. Right, that's what happens when you're bored and you got to stay home and you start browsing the internet. Things like this happen. So let's take it apart and see what it is. Right, what do you guys think it is? Let's go check it out. Well, actually, I'm gonna give you a hint. See what it says there? All right, so you guys excited?
Yes!
Do you guys know what it is?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Yes. Let me cut a strap. Let me cut a strap. What is the honors?
All right. Cool. All right, guys, so check it out. Here it is.
It's big.
This is gonna be interesting. All right, so it's like Christmas and spring, right? Or Christmas and summer, or whatever you want to call it.
Halfway to summer.
So there you go, guys. So we're gonna do it, but we got a little dirt bike, a 125cc. We're gonna test it out. Okay.
What is it in American number?
So right now we're gonna go ahead and install the handlebars. It's pretty cool. You actually get to build the bike on your own, so you get a real experience, not just get up and go and ride. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I don't have a motorcycle stand, so it's gonna be maybe one of them is gonna hold it while we put it together. So we'll get it to work. It's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. All right, so right now we just put in one shock and one strut. And we're gonna put the other one. This is our first time doing this, so we're learning as we go. I guess it's pretty entertaining. You kind of fight with it because it's hard. You get to build your bike as you go. Let me get the screwdriver. So it's pretty hard. It's getting closer. Right now we're gonna put in the fender to the front. So far, so good. All right, right now we're gonna grease up the front shaft. All right, now we just installing the front brake. All right, guys, so here it is, finished product. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but it's actually pretty big. It's not that bad because it's on 125cc, so it's pretty good. Front tires are 17, back tires are 14. So it's just to mess around here in the neighborhood, and then maybe on the weekends go to my dad's house over there at the farm. So we're trying out this one. If we're satisfied with the speed and the ride, we might get some more and we all go riding.
Yeah.
So this is what happens when you're at home looking at the computer too long. You start shopping and buying things you're not supposed to. But you know, pretty cool. Always wanted one. Hey, you guys happy? You guys surprised or what?
I'm happy as heck.
Pretty cool.
And it fits me so nice. Like, I'm flat-footed and I got like 1 foot on the shifter.
Pretty good. So we'll see. I think it's supposed to do how much? 51?
55.
55 top speed? I don't know. I don't really care about the speed. We just want to cruise.
I can't take that off.
Because at my dad's house, there's a lot of land to ride. So we'll see how it goes. And all right. So there we go. Moment of truth.
First kick.
I can break it in, to be honest.
Shut up, Joe. Oh, I'm gonna see you some.
It's in neutral, yeah, it's all the way down.
Already shifted it down.
Already.
Told you.
Oh, my bad. run. Looking cool. Nice. All right, go ahead, take off. Be careful. Remember, quarter throttle only. What do you think?
It's good. I like it.
Pretty good. You can't beat it. It's less than $1,000. You can't ask for anything else. So we'll see how long it lasts. But I guess we'll be coming some dirty videos. Hopefully. Not that bad. I guess, you know what? I guess I'll order the other ones today. So it comes, because it takes like 5 days to get here. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Just taking it easy, bringing it in around the block. So maybe during the week we'll go to my dad's house and gun it, baby, gun it.
I think it just ran out of gas.
Oh, you turned it off?
No, I didn't turn it off
by itself.
Oh, it turned off by itself?
Maybe you run out of gas. Kick that.
There we go.
Huh?
Looks nice.
It's real nice.
I need Toy to play around. I was impressed by the quality and performance for the price of the bike that I decided to do something crazy again. How you doing, guys, and welcome back. And guess what? This just happened. What just happened, guys? Another dirt bike. All right, lift it up. And here we go, another building video. So
Now comes the headlight.
it's gonna be fun. Oh, I guess the difference is the headlight. I guess we'll see how we'll get it together. All right, let's get to work. We've done this before, so that's why it seems so easy, right? Check it out, another one. Another one bites the dust. You gotta build it, and we got the other one there that we got a few days ago. Double the fun. Let's keep building. So here we go. Got that one all assembled. So you gotta put some gas and do a little test run. Like that one. Except for this one, I got a light. So I got this one a little different. I got a little light in front. That I should have got that one with the light, but I didn't know they make one with the light. So next time.
I don't like it without the light. More simple.
All right, so we just put gas on it. We're gonna go ahead. Well, go ahead, go kickstart it. See if it starts.
How about I kick
Wait, hold up. Let me.
Fuel on? Yeah, fuel's on. Okay.
Where is the choke? Okay, go. Fuel on. See if it starts the first kick. I think it's a rider. I think it's the rider. think it's the rider. Yeah, it's the rider.
It's not. I literally kicked it like 6 times in a row.
Is the gas even on?
Yeah, it feels
Oh,
on.
is it that on?
Feels on.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let it sit there for a little bit, let it do whatever it's gonna do. Yeah, no, we gotta fix the idle. Alright, let's fix the idle. Alright guys, so we just ran into a problem. This one has a headlight, but the headlight's not working. And I followed the wire back and the wire's not connected. So I guess these products don't have quality control. They just assemble it and put it together and ship it. So we gotta wind up taking up the gas tank because the wire harness is under the gas tank. So, ow. The project got a little more complicated, more hands-on. You learning, buddy?
Oh.
See right there?
How'd you see that?
You see that? Look at this. It got assembled and then they didn't connect the harness.
How'd you see that?
I seen it from another gas tank. So there you go. That's why the light wasn't turning on. It was never connected. No, I mean, there's no testing. It's
Just making sure.
yeah. Make sure the little things are up in there. Right?
What thing?
The little thing on the side.
Oh, poopy.
Make sure it clips on.
All right, let's go ahead and do that test run for the light. Go ahead, kick it. Come on, buddy. There we go. Got that light on now, baby. All right, guys, so check it out. Finally got the dirt bikes, what the kids always wanted. And stay tuned because we're gonna go ahead and do a little test run around the block. But on the weekend, we're heading over to my dad's house where there's a lot of wide open space that we can ride on and stay away from the busy city traffic.